Okay, you're in Microsoft Excel. You want to automatically format dates that expire within X number of days, say 7 days or 30 days. So the date of recording for this video is the 13th of October 2023, and these dates with a gold background expire within the next 7 days. Now I could change this number here to say 28, and then it would highlight the dates that expire within the next 28 days. Okay, let's see how this can be done. Now to achieve this, we need to write a logical test that we then use within conditional formatting. Now you can write the logical test directly into the conditional formatting dialog box, but it's actually easier to write it initially in your spreadsheet and then copy it over to conditional formatting. So our test needs to say, is this date here less than or equal to today's date? And you can return that using the today function. That will keep the date up to date, plus, and then if you want to highlight dates within the next 7 days, you'd put +7. If you want to highlight dates within the next 28 days, you put +28. Now you can put the number in the formula like that, or you could refer to a cell that contains the number. And that will make your spreadsheet more flexible, more automated. Now if you're going to do that, you will need to lock the reference to that number. You can do that by pressing F4 on your keyboard, and that'll put dollars in that cell address. If F4 doesn't work, type the dollars in as I have them there. Right, now if I press enter and copy this down, it returns true if the date expires within this number of days, 7 days in this instance. So what I can then do is highlight this formula and copy it, press enter, then select my expiry dates, then go up to conditional formatting, go to new rule, and in this list of rule types, select use a formula to determine which cells to format. It then says edit the rule description, format values where this formula is true. And all I need to do is paste in my formula into that little box. I then need to set a format, so I click on the format button, go to the fill tab, and then you just choose a color, whatever color you want to use. Click on OK again, and it should work. I can then get rid of this column. And if I change this number to 28, you'll see that it highlights the relevant dates. Okay, that's all I wanted to cover in this particular video. Hopefully that's useful. If it is, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you next video.